Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to Tech Vibes, your go-to spot for the absolute best streaming updates. Today I am showing you exactly how to unlock free movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Before we dive into these codes, you need to make sure your device is fully protected. To run any of these side-loaded apps smoothly without your internet provider slowing you down, you definitely need to use NordVPN. It keeps your streaming completely safe and private. The official installation link is right down in the description and the pinned comments below, so grab that deal right now. Let us get straight to the solution. First, head over to the Find section on your Fire Stick home screen and search for Downloader. Select the orange icon and click Download to install it onto your device. Next, hit the Home button and go all the way to the Settings icon. Select My Fire TV and click About. Highlight your Fire Stick name and click it 7 to 10 times until it says You are now a developer. Back out one step and select the new Developer Options menu. Turn on ADB debugging and then click Install Unknown Apps. Find Downloader in the list and turn it on. This enables Downloader to sideload apps that are not available in the official store. Now open the Downloader app and allow it access to your files. The search bar works just like a web browser. Instead of typing a long web address, we are going to use a fast shortcode. Type in 370178 and hit Next. After a quick 5-second redirect, the custom download store page will load. Press the 3-line button on your remote to add this page to your favorites so you can bypass the redirect next time. Scroll down the page to find the constantly updated streaming applications for June 2026. Click on the app named AK to start the download. Once it finishes, click Install in the bottom right corner, then hit Done. Make sure to delete the installation file immediately after to save precious space on your device storage. You can repeat this exact same process for the other listed movie and sports applications to get endless free content. If you want a custom media center, you can also install Kodi from this page. Open Kodi, click the settings icon, select System and go to Add-ons. Turn on the option for unknown sources. Back out to the file manager and select Add Source. Type in the repository address precisely to avoid connection errors. Once added, go back to Add-ons, select Install from zip file and click the source folder. Go into the repository, select Program Add-ons and choose Chef Wizard. Click Install and wait for it to finish. Open the wizard, select your preferred build layout and click Continue. Once it finishes downloading, click OK to force close Kodi and your setup is ready. If you ever experience buffering with these builds, try changing your router settings to the faster 5 GHz band instead of the older 2.4 GHz band. You can also manually change your network settings to use the public DNS 8.8.8.8 to instantly stabilize your web stream. If you plug into an uncompressed media receiver, upgrade your old cord to a certified HDMI 2.1 cable to keep your 4K video signal strong. If this video helped you out today, please smash that like button. Share this video with your friends and comment below if you have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to Tech Vibes for more daily tech fixes. Enjoy your new setup and happy streaming.